why does everyone want a Fujifilm camera? At least now. I remember when I bought mine, which was the first one I bought was the X-T3. Everyone was kind of like, why are you doing that? Just buy a Sony instead. And I'm like, nah, there's something about the Fujifilm cameras that just hits like no other. And fast forward to 2023, and everyone wants a Fujifilm camera. And I think the reason is because we have internal film recipes. So everyone wants that film look right now, so I figured, why not show off those film looks?